Good evening, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. So, a big question is, are stimulus checks going to be sent out immediately? And I know that many of you are wondering what the status is for the fourth round of stimulus checks. Well, friends, new information has been released, including who can expect a fourth stimulus check this year. So please make sure you watch until the end of this video for a new, updated stimulus timeline. Also, to say thank you for watching my videos every day, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways.
I hear from every community about the importance of affordable housing and about the challenges they're experiencing right now. This shortage is, of course, being exacerbated by the current inflation challenges more broadly impacting the country. And throughout my time in Congress, I've done my best to remain focused on efforts to address the housing shortage. I've been proud to work in particular with my Finance Committee colleague, Senator Cantwell, on the Affordable Housing Credit Improvement Act. This bill, as I think our witnesses know, will help strengthen the Low-Income Housing Tax Credit Program, also known as LIHTC, which remains the most successful affordable housing program in the United States, a public-private partnership supported in a bipartisan fashion over the years. If we want to address our nation's housing affordability crisis, I think it's crucial that we pass the legislation to improve the affordable housing program, the LIHTC program, by passing the Affordable Housing Credit Improvement Act as soon as possible.
So I know many of you are hoping for another enhanced child tax credit law this year by congressional lawmakers. However, you might live in one of many states making plans to send families more money between this year and 2023. The last monthly child tax credit payment was dispersed in December, with a final check arriving after parents filed their tax returns this year. There is a Republican Senate proposal that would send up to $350 per child, but includes a work requirement. This proposal is from Senator Mitt Romney, and it would restart monthly payments for millions of Americans. Unlike previous stimulus efforts, Mitt Romney's plan, which is officially known as the Family Security Act, could put work requirements in place for millions of recipients. The Family Security Act would provide monthly benefits of up to $350 a month for families with children ages 0 to 5, and $250 per month to those with children ages 6 to 17. The maximum monthly payment for families would be $1,250, and expectant parents would be able to apply for these benefits. To begin 4 months prior to their child's due date. In a statement, Mitt Romney said, his act creates a new national commitment to American families by modernizing and streamlining antiquated federal policies. The biggest element of Mitt Romney's plan is the inclusion of work requirements for payment recipients. Details on the exact requirements were not included in the plan, but a common threshold for state-level benefits is 80 hours of work a month, or a comparable amount of job training or volunteer work. Romney's staff said the legislation is subject to negotiation and is not yet finalized. So friends, what are your thoughts on job requirements for the child tax credit payment? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Governor Ned Lamont also announced that this weekend, the state will deliver a one-time back-to-school crisis relief special benefit of $257 per child to more than 15,000 low-income Connecticut households. It is known as the Emergency Assistance Fund, and this special benefit comes from a $7 million federal grant through the American Rescue Plan Act. All eligible households include those with children who receive benefits through the Temporary Family Assistance Program during May 2022, or who received SNAP benefits and had no accountable income during that same month. The majority of payments will be delivered to the recipient's electronic benefit transfer cards. The state also mailed letters to recipients, notifying them that they will be receiving this special one-time benefit. Friends, the keyword for this video is Jamaica. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Jamaica, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. Friends, also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And please stay tuned because in a video later today, I'll be announcing a winner. Governor Lamont explained that his administration is timing the release of these special benefits to coincide with the back-to-school shopping season and the start of Connecticut's sales tax-free week, which runs from August 21st to August 27, 2022. Senators Richard Blumenthal and Chris Murphy said in a joint statement, these payments, possible because of the American Rescue Plan, could not come at a better time for families. Back-to-school shopping is always expensive, and with the increased cost of food, gas, and other basic necessities, Connecticut families are feeling the pressure. We are pleased to see the funding we fought for in Congress delivered to the people who need it most. Now, friends, Senate Democrat Joe Manchin is the least popular political figure in the new national NBC News poll, with just 11% of registered voters saying they had a positive feeling about the West Virginia Democrat. Roughly 1/3 of voters had negative feelings, making Senator Manchin the most unpopular figure in the poll with a net negative rating of 23%. Joe Manchin also had the highest share of voters who said they did not know or were not sure how they felt about him. The disdain for Senator Manchin spanned political parties, with 40% of Democrats, 31% of Republicans, and 30% of independents viewing him negatively. Senator Joe Manchin's role as one of the roadblocks to the Democrats' sweeping policy agenda has caused him to receive criticism by Democratic voters. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on Senator Joe Manchin? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me and listening or watching my videos. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed evening.